Before we learn a lot more CSS, I want to show the power of using just CSS to style a web page. Over here in planets.html, we have a section that has all these images in it. In our CSS, we can tell the section to display flex. If I save that, all my planets are in a row. That's pretty amazing. But also notice the H1 and paragraph are also flexed together. That is because both are in sections, and I told all sections to display flex. We need to add a class to the image section in the HTML. In the section tag, type class equals quotes container. Save the page and go back to styles.css. We can add an additional selector to the section CSS by adding the class container. We can also tell the flex flow to be row wrap. If we tell the A tags holding the images to have a certain width, then the images will flow and wrap depending on the width of the viewport. Adding a margin makes the images look even better. Now, instead of having large planets with just a little bit of code, we have a gallery of beautiful planets. That brings us to the end of the basic HTML series. We are now going to study more advanced HTML as well as basic CSS to create a fully functioning website.